Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss shorthand assignment operator. So let's get started. Guys, shorthand assignment operator is also known as compound assignment operator. And shorthand assignment operator combines one of the arithmetic or bitwise operators with assignment operator. So here is the example given: a plus equal to 5 and it is equal to a plus 5. Actually, they first perform arithmetic operations between left and right operand and then assign the result to the left operand. Actually, it first add 5 to a and then assign result to a. So I hope it is clear to you. Now moving forward guys. Now guys, here it is the list of shorthand assignment operators in C programming. This is the first shorthand assignment operator, plus equal to, and the example is a plus equal to 10 and its meaning is a equal to a plus 10. And this is the second shorthand assignment operator. This is third, this is fourth, this is fifth, and this is sixth. Basically it is a logical AND operator. And guys, this is logical OR and this is logical XOR, and this is bitwise complementation, and it is left shift operator, and it is right shift operator. So guys, I hope it is clear to you. Now let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler where I will show you the working of this shorthand assignment operator. Guys, in this program we will learn about shorthand assignment operator. So we have declared 5 integer variables a, b, c, d and e, and we have assigned value 2 to each variable. So the value of a, b, c and d will be 2, and now it is the first expression and it means a equal to a plus 5. So the value of a will be 7, and now it is the second expression and it means b equal to b minus 1. So the value of b will be 1. And now it is the third expression and it means c equal to c into 5. So the value of c will be 10. And now it is the last expression and it means d equal to d percentile 2. So the remainder will be 0 and value of d will be 0. Now guys, if I run this program, it is printing the values of a, b, c and d, and that are 7, 1, 10 and 0 respectively. I hope it is clear to you guys, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.